Tadalista is a simple treatment for erectile dysfunction in males. This medication helps men get a pleasant sexual experience by enhancing overall sexual performance. Tadalista contains Tadalafil, an active ingredient that helps men get and attain an erection. What is Tadalista used for? Men who have erectile dysfunction are treated with Tadalista Tadalafil 60 mg. Erectile dysfunction is a condition where a man cannot get and attain an erection. The condition's cause is unknown. It can result from stress, depression, a physical injury, or an underlying cause of heart disease, high cholesterol. The cause cannot cure, however erectile dysfunction can be treated. This helps in attaining sexual pleasure. Tadalista pills are an effective and proven solution for the condition. How to use? Tadalista generic Tadalafil tablets can be taken with or without food, since the rate and extent of absorption of generic Tadalafil is not influenced by food. Tadalista for use as needed. The starting dose is 10 mg up to once daily, taken at least 30 minutes before the time of anticipated sexual activity. Increase the dosage to 20 mg or decrease to 5 mg based upon efficacy and tolerability. This medicine improves erectile dysfunction compared to placebo up to 36 hours after taking the dose. Generic Tadalafil can be taken only once in any 24-hour period. The maximum concentration of Tadalafil after taking of a single oral dose is achieved between 30 minutes and 6 hours, with a median time of about 2 hours. Tadalista for once daily use. The starting dose is 2.5 mg taken once daily, at approximately the same time every day, without regard to timing of sexual activity. The dosage can be increased to 5 mg based upon efficacy and tolerability. Contraindications. Tadalista tablets are contraindicated in patients with a hypersensitivity to or any inactive ingredient present in Tadalista tablets. Administration of Tadalista tablets to patients using any form of organic nitrate is also contraindicated, because Tadalista was shown to potentiate the hypertensive effect of nitrates. Tadalista must not be used in men with cardiac disease, for whom sexual activity is inadvisable. Doctors should consider the potential cardiac risk of sexual activity in patients with pre-existing cardiovascular disease. Tadalista must not be used in patients with hereditary problems of galactose intolerance, the lab lactase deficiency, or glucose galactose malabsorption. Warnings and precautions. Patients should not use Tadalista generic Tadalafil 5 mg if sex is inadvisable due to cardiovascular status. Use of Tadalista with alpha blockers, antihypertensive or substantial amounts of alcohol may lead to hypertension. Use Tadalista with caution in patients predisposed to priapism. Patients should stop Tadalista and seek medical care if a sudden loss of vision occurs in one of both eyes, which could be a sign of non-atretic ischemic optic neuropathy. Patients should stop Tadalista and seek prompt medical attention in the event of sudden decrease or loss of hearing. Caution should be exercised when prescribing Tadalista to patients with severe hepatic insufficiency. Side effects. In general, Tadalista is a safe medicine to take. However, it may result in temporary side effects in a few patients like headache, heartburn, nausea, diarrhea, flushing, dizziness, allergic skin reaction, difficulty in breathing, difficulty in swallowing, swelling of face, eyelids, lips, tongue, hands, and feet, pain in the arms, the back, and legs. The effects mentioned above are temporary. You have to consult a doctor if they do not go after a few hours.